we discussed some. Let's say if I ask you name the angles according to their measurements. Let's say what do you call a 90 degree? 90 degree is called a right angle, triangle, right angle. Uh, what is what do you call a 125 degree? 125 degree, since it is a greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so we can call it as a obtuse angle. Now 180 degree, as we know that the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree, so 180 degree is our straight angle. If you ask let's say 290 degree, what it is? It is a reflex angle because its measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees, so it is a reflex angle. So in this way we can solve some problems. Now after that we discuss about the pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. In this, first of all we discuss about complementary angles. Complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are said to be complementary pairs. दो angles जिनका sum, let's say two angles are theta 1 and theta 2, अगर इनका sum 90 degree होगा तो इन दोनों को अपन बोलेंगे they are the complementary pairs or the complementary angles. It means the two angles whose sum is 90 degree are said to be complementary angles. For example, 60 degree and 30 degree are the complementary pair because their sum is 90 degree. In the same way, we can say that 20 degree and 70 degree are also a complementary pair. After that complementary angles, we come to the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means the two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Let's say the two angles are theta 1 and theta 2. अगर इन दोनों एंगल का सम अगर 180 डिग्री है तो इन दोनों एंगल्स को अपन बोल सकते हैं these are the supplementary pairs or these are the supplementary angles. For example, 130 degree and 50 degree. These two angles having a sum 180 degree because 130 plus 50 is 180 degree. So these make a supplementary angles. Now we will do some problems regarding the complementary and the supplementary pairs. Let's say if I ask you a question that find an angle which is equal to its complement. देखिए हमें एक ऐसा एंगल फाइंड करना है जो कि अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट के बराबर हो. चलिए सबसे पहले अपन अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि आपका एंगल क्या है. लेट द एंगल इज थीटा. लेट द एंगल इज थीटा. एंगल को अज्यूम कर लेते हैं थीटा है और इसका जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल होगा एट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल. देखिए हमें पता है कि एंगल और दो एंगल का सम अगर 90 डिग्री है तो हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पेयर बोलते हैं. अगर एक एंगल थीटा है तो जो दूसरा एंगल होगा डेफिनेटली इट इज 90 माइनस थीटा because the sum of these two angles should be 90 degree. So if one angle is theta then the other should be 90 minus theta. Now as it is already given that in the question that the angle and its complement are equal. So we can say that theta is equals to 90 minus theta. So minus theta, we can write it 2 theta equals to 90 degree, or we can say theta equals to 45 degree. So our required answer is 45 degree. So 45 degree is an angle whose complement is also a 45 degree. That is the angle itself. We solve some problems. Now, find an angle. Find an angle. Find an angle whose supplement angle is 5 times its complement. 5 times its complement. Now, to do this problem, again we assume that the angle is theta. Let the angle is theta. Now, the complement of this angle, complement of angle theta is 90 minus theta, and the supplement of the angle theta is 180 minus theta. As we know that in supplement the sum of the angle is 180 degree. If the angle is theta, then its supplement should be 180 minus theta. So according to question, it is given that the supplement angle that is 180 minus theta is 5 times its complement, that is 90 minus theta. The supplement angle is equals to 5 times the complement. Now we solve this equation. Now 180 minus theta is equals to 5 into 90, that is 450, minus 5 theta. Now we put the variables on the one side and the constant on the other sides. Let's see, minus 5 theta comes to the left hand side, it becomes 5 theta minus theta. 180 comes to the right side, 450 minus 180. 5 theta minus theta comes to be 4 theta. 450 minus 180, it is comes to be 270 degree. Now theta equals to 270 divided by 4, which is comes to be 27 divided by 4, that is 6, 24, 30, 7, 67.5 degree. Now when 270 is divided by 4, it is comes to be 67.5 degree. So the required angle is 67.5. Now we move to some other pairs of the angles. Now the next pair of angles